What's going on, YouTube? Jeff coming at ya. Doing some more work on the foxbody. Still in the process of getting her down to bare metal. And we're going to be playing today with paint stripper. You can get this at any of your local hardware stores, Canadian Tire, what have you. They come in spray cans, they come in liquid form. This one happens to be the gel model. I think it says gel formula right down there. This is good for removing latex, oil, and epoxy paints, urethane, varnishes. It's safe on wood, concrete, and metals. And I just put some on my trim here, so we're gonna see if it screws it up. I wasn't even thinking about it. But this stuff works pretty simple. You just wipe. I've just been wiping it on with a cloth. Make sure you have gloves on. Make sure your sleeves aren't rolled up. I just got a little bit on my skin and it burns instantly. So yeah, you just put it on, wait 15 minutes. You see how it's already bubbling up right there. And then literally, just have a little scraper. Right there, that's down to bare metal right there. Sometimes you got to do multiple layers. It might only take off your top coat and your clear, and it might still leave the primer and stuff. But honestly, that primer right there is super easy to knock off just with your DA sander and 120 grit. So that's what I originally done over here. And see, it had only stripped it to primer there, but literally this was seconds with the DA sander. Right down to clean bare metal and stuff. So that's all you got to do. Wipe this stuff on. And just scrape it off. And see, we're already uncovering right there. A little rust nip right there. And that was actually underneath the paint. Couldn't even see it. I'm starting to notice that this car has had a full paint job everywhere and stuff. And it must have been like a Mako special. Really cheap paint, but honestly, I just put that on 10 minutes ago. I'll probably have this whole door scraped off in about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll just prep it with my DA sander, probably another 10 minutes or whatever. And I should have most spots pretty close to bare metal, enough to start doing prep and body work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.